students. Today I will teach you operating system. Operating system you are learning from class 3rd. In class 3rd you have learned operating system. Class 4th you have learned operating system. Now I am going to tell you about operating system. Now what is operating system? It's very simple. What is operating system? Operating system is a type of system software. Okay, it is a type of system software. Two types of software, you know, system software and application software. So this operating system is a type of system software. And what is the definition of operating system? Operating system control all activities of your computer. This is the main work of operating system, or you can say main function of operating system. Operating system is that software which control all activities of your computer. All means whatever is done in your computer. It may be related to memory, it may be related to any device, it may be related to any file, security, any process, anything. Everything is controlled by this operating system. And next thing about operating system is that it helps user to interact with the computer. With this operating system only, user means the person who use the computer. Okay, so to interact with the computer or to use the computer, this operating system is very important. If operating system is not in our computer, we cannot use the computer. We cannot even open the computer. First, we have to install any operating system in our computer. Then only we can use the computer. And there are so many types of operating system like Windows, which you are very familiar. Windows 7 is there, Windows 8 is there, Windows 10 is there. So these are some types of, some versions of operating system. So this was all about operating system. Now I will tell you function of operating system, means what work operating system do. Function of operating system. What are the function of operating system in the computer? Now, first function of operating system is device management. Device management means the devices which we use in a computer like keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker, microphone, whatever we are using in a computer, all these devices are managed by the operating system of your computer. Next function of operating system is memory. Memory is also an important part of the computer. So this memory of your computer is also managed by operating system. Like how much memory, which file will use, how much memory computer have to free, whatever work related to memory is there, it is managed by operating system. Next is runs software. This means whatever program or software you open in computer, like you have opened a song. So who run this song? Operating system. Like you are watching a movie in computer. So who is running that movie? Operating system. Like you are playing games. So who is opening or running that game? It is operating system. So any program or application which you open in the computer, that is run by operating system. Next one is processor management. Processor means whatever work computer do. Processor means in the computer CPU, one small processor is there. And what is the work of that processor? It processes all the jobs or whatever work comes in the computer, that is processed by that processor. If the processor is of high speed, your computer will work with high speed. If the processor is of low speed, your computer will work at low speed. So all the process which comes in the computer, that is managed by the operating system. That is known as processor management. Next one is file management. File management means how many files you are storing in your computer. It may be an image file, audio file, video file, or any kind of file. All these files are managed by operating system. This operating system stores that file. If you are searching any file, this operating system helps you to search the file. If you are creating any file, deleting any file, modifying any file, whatever work you are doing in your file, that is done by operating system of your computer. Next one is security. This operating system also provides security to your computer. Security means, suppose you want to set password in your computer so that no other person can use your computer. So this password you can set using the operating system. So in this way, operating system also provides security to your computer. So these are some functions of operating system which we have learned today. Okay, these are some functions which are performed by the operating system of a computer. Now I am going to tell you types of operating system. Now what are types of operating system? There are 3 types of operating system given in your book. 3 types of operating system are given in your book. What are that? First one is single user operating system. Second one is multi-user operating system. And third one is multitasking operating system. Okay, so there are 3 types of operating system: single user, multi-user and multitasking. Now first I will tell you about single user. What is single user operating system? In this only one user is there. Okay, only one user is there. Only one person can use these type of computers at one time. So these are single user. You can understand from this word only, single user means one person can use this type of computers. Multi-user, you know the meaning of multi. Multi means many. Okay, so this means many persons can use these type of computers. If you are having a multi-user operating system in your computer, so many users can use this operating system. Next one is multitasking. Now, what is the meaning of this multitasking? Multi means many and task means work or jobs that are done in the computer. So, what a multitasking operating system? These are that operating system which can perform multiple work at one time. Means they are not doing only one type of work. They can do many work at one time. So these are known as multitasking operating system. Means at the same time you are running any software, you are downloading a file, you are uploading a file, you are opening MS Paint, you are doing typing work. Means so many work you are doing at one time in the computer. So these type of operating system are known as multitasking operating system. Means in this computer you can do many work at one time. So these are 3 types of operating system. These 3 types are only given in your book. So you have to learn these 3: single user, multi-user and multitasking. So this was all about today, and next I will continue. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.